Hi, I'm Edwin from Varanasi. There were many study materials like about doodling, the last year papers, etc. etc. Many things were there. It helped me a lot. That's like it gives me at home only that what I have to do, what not I have to do, and many things lot. Then including that, I got the 2 days free workshop also. The sir told me about what are my drawbacks, what I can do more. So it was quite helpful and informative also. I've selected in NID. Thanks to BRDS and thanks to my parents and whole lot of their who guided me to join here. This provided me with the sufficient knowledge and the guidance that I needed to clear out the interview and the studio test. Thank you very much. And I will recommend every of the student to join and have the BRDS guidance through to them if they want to clear out the NID. Thank you.